Alrighty, y'all, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Tylt. These are the built-to-tilt chargers. This is a built-to-tilt charger. They come in a 2-pack. Essentially, the reason that I like portable chargers so much and ones kind of like these is that I, fairly often go camping, or I kind of find myself in places where, I'll be working for longer hours and maybe won't necessarily have an outlet nearby or anything to actually charge with. And so having little battery chargers like this, little power packs, I guess you could say, they're just awesome. They work really, really well, and they're just super portable. And yeah, kind of want to just talk about this and why I like it so much. First of all, probably more than most, and I actually have gone through a couple of these things. I mean, these ones are very inexpensive, which is the reason I wanted to buy them. I didn't feel like I needed something that was like crazy expensive, and I wanted something that was also pretty simple. So this one's definitely very simple, and I have a couple of these. Out of most of the ones I have, this one probably charges the best. The charging is it's really, really quick compared to the other ones that typically will take hours upon hours to actually get your phone back up to full charge. So I like that these are quick. They just have a really, really good output compared to other chargers, and I think that they're 3200 milliamp chargers. So yeah, they just have a solid output. The internal battery in here is rechargeable, obviously. So basically, to actually charge the thing, you use a DC 5-volt 1 amp input. This is basically like your standard like micro USB. You typically find these on, really most devices that aren't iPhones. You can find them on like Galaxy, Samsung phones, or Windows, Android phones, things like that. So it's a very, very universal. It uses a very universal cord to charge, which is great. One that you can have handy and use for a million other things, so that's really nice. It also comes with that cord too, so you don't have to worry about getting one, which is great. You have the output right here. This is just your regular USB, and so that's what's actually going to charge your phone. It's very, very simple. You just plug it in and it starts going right away. So, pretty easy to use and will work for pretty much any smartphone, any kind of phone in the world, because they mostly all use USB. The actual build of the thing, as you can see, very, very slim. Almost looks like a vape, a vape pen or vaporizer or whatever. Kind of has that same sort of vibe, same sort of size and feel to it. Also same sort of weight. It has a little Tylt, a logo right here. It's very, very clean, almost like a brushed aluminum sort of look. Really, really nice. Kind of feels similar to, something that you would get from like Apple. Definitely like their MacBooks. They have that kind of brushed aluminum. It's almost a little glossy, a little chromy. It's nice though. It doesn't look cheap, and it doesn't feel cheap either. It definitely has a pretty solid weight to it. That being said, it's not too heavy where it's like, it'll bug you if you throw it in your backpack or bag or whatever. It doesn't add that much weight. It just feels, for the size, I think, strong and durable. And that's a big thing, especially if you're going to be taking these, considering you'll probably be taking these around places where there aren't outlets, meaning you'll probably be taking it camping, hiking, whatever. You want something that's durable, something that's going to hold up in the long run. This just feels like, honestly, it will hold up as time goes on. See this bottom part right here? This is basically just going to tell you, what it's going to be able to charge, input, output. Always important to pay attention to electronics and their outputs, just voltage and things like that. And then right here, this is the main button, the only button on it. When you press this, you're going to see how much battery life you have left. So it gives you 3 kind of LED blue dots right here. Helpful in knowing how much you have left so you can charge it. And also just helpful in knowing that you have a full charge, I guess, when you're done. If you press it once more, you also get, there we go, double click it, excuse me. And you get a little flashlight, which is really helpful. I've used this plenty of times while I've been camping and things like that. So just a really kind of neat addition to this thing. And it's not the brightest thing in the world, but it can be helpful if you're like searching through your bag or like in a dark tent or something. Alrighty guys, take it easy.